Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Ivy cube. Okay, so the first step is to get these two corner pieces matching together. So if they are like this, then you can easily put one like this and one like this. Now, the other case is if it's on the bottom. If it's on the bottom, then you move this one down, and then you turn it so this is on the top, and then this will be in its spot to move it up like this. And then you have this. And then you're trying to get this one. This is called a leaf. You want the white leaf to go right here. So, you'll do this algorithm. And then the whites will all be full. The next step is get all the corners correct. This is a corner, this is a corner. These are correct because they're matching with their whites. This one needs to match, this is a correct one because it's matching yellow, because white's on the bottom, then yellow's on top. This one is not, because the yellow's not on the top. So you have to move it, so now yellow's on the top. The next step is to get one of these colors full. So you have the yellow and the white done for you. So you need to get one of these done. So there is none matching now. You could have one already full, but right now it's not full. So you have to have, in order to do this algorithm, you need to find two leaves that are pointing upwards. So these leaves are pointing upwards. These ones are pointing down. There are two different ones. This one and this one. It doesn't matter which one you pick. And then you'll do this algorithm. And then you'll have one full. And then you find another two pointing up. And you'll do the exact same algorithm if this is on this side of you. If it's on this side, then you will do it on the opposite side, which I'll show you in a minute. If it's on this side, then you do the algorithm like this. Move it. And then it'll be solved. Now, if you have two pointing down on the side like this, then you turn it to the two pointing up. And then it has one like this. So, you move this, and then you do the algorithm. And that's how you solve an Ivy cube. It's very, very easy, and with some practice and getting used to the weird turns, you should be able to do it very quickly. If you're wondering where I got this Rubik's Cube, I'll have a link down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.